Trigonometry for standard 10. This is new topic for standard 10, trigonometry. Actually, trigonometry were made by three different Latin words: tri, gon, metron. Tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means measurement. It means three sides measurement. That complete trigonometrical concept it gives three sides measurement. But all the trigonometrical concepts based on right angle triangle. Here in standard 10, trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio. First topic is trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio means the ratio between two sides with respect to any particular acute angle. Actually, trigonometry very long topic, long exercise. In that, there are so many topics: trigonometrical ratios, trigonometric angles related, standard angle, then height and distance, complementary angle. All these things are in trigonometry. Higher level, it is used in engineering or physical science. So, trigonometric ratios means it gives the relation between two sides with respect to any acute angle. In any right angle triangle, suppose this triangle is right angle ABC, it is right angle at B. Now these two angles are acute angle. Now according to which acute angle we will take the relation between the two sides, it gives 6 ratio. Suppose the reference angle is this theta. This is acute angle theta and it is reference angle. Now in trigonometry, the first concept is in any right angle triangle, this is opposite side of right angle is known as hypotenuse, which is represented by H. According to Pythagoras theorem, we can take AB and BC, any one of the side is base or any one of the side is perpendicular. By Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, AB is perpendicular, then BC is base, or BC is perpendicular, then AB is base. We can take any one. But in trigonometry, which angle we are taking as a reference angle means about which angle we are taking the relation of two sides. That angle's opposite side is known as perpendicular. So this side will be perpendicular, which is represented by P. If you will take this is reference angle, then this will be perpendicular. If this angle is reference angle, then their opposite side is this is perpendicular and the another side is base, which is represented by B. If you will take this is reference angle, then BC will be perpendicular and AB will be base. Hypotenuse place is confirmed. Now there are 6 trigonometrical ratios, and the total trigonometry based on these 6 ratios, which is called sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Mainly 3 ratios: sine, cos, tan, and 3 are their reciprocal. The reciprocal of sine is cosec, the reciprocal of cos is sec, and the reciprocal of tan is cot. So here sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now here carefully you understand the reference angle. Reference angle is very important. About which angle we are taking the relation, their opposite side is known as perpendicular. So if this angle is our reference angle, then the sine theta value will be AB by AC. But if you will take this is reference angle, then the sine theta will be BC by AC. Similarly, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. If this is reference angle, then cos theta is equal to BC by AC. And if you will take this is reference angle, then the cos theta will equal to AB by AC. Tan theta perpendicular by base. If this is reference angle, then tan theta is equal to AB by BC. If this angle is theta, then the perpendicular will be BC. So then in that case it will be BC by AB. Cosec theta. This is the reciprocal of sin theta. So this will be H by P. Sec theta, that is the reciprocal of cos theta. So this will be H by B. And cot theta, that is the reciprocal of tan theta. This is equal to B by P. So in total, actually in standard 10, for standard 10 level, now no need to think about so many things. Just we will think about only which ratios are there available and which angle is reference angle. So actually if any ratios are given, suppose tan theta is given in any question. So if tan theta is given, it means the ratio between two sides are given. When the ratios of two sides are given, suppose this is any angle and the ratio of two sides are given, any two sides, either this side and this side or this side, this is to this, this is to this, this is to this, in any way the ratio is given, it means the ratio of two sides are given. If the ratios of two sides are given by Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the third side. And when we get third side, now you see the relation, if we are having all three sides, then any ratios can be found out. This is the trigonometrical ratios work. So now I explain one of the questions first. Now the first question is, if root 3 cosec A is equal to 2, find the value of, now you see here it is given cos A tan A sin square A plus cos square A sin C cos C sin square C plus cos square C. First you try to understand. Or here first you understand root 3 cosec A is equal to 2 given. Cosec A given, it means our reference angle is A. Which angle is mentioned there, it means that is the reference angle. So when we draw a triangle, right angle triangle ABC, then we keep in our mind this right angle is not A, because the reference angle is always acute angle. So either this angle or this angle. Second thing, here it is asking C, C, C in related with C also. It means angle C, A and C is our reference angle. In some questions, for few questions, angle A is reference angle, and for few questions, angle C is reference angle. It means it is confirmed here in this triangle, angle B is right angle. These are the things we observe in the question, which angle is mentioned there as reference angle. According to that, we draw the figure. So if we will take this is A as a reference angle, this will be C as a reference angle, because here C related also the questions are there. It means this angle is B right angle. Now first we will take the relation root 3 cosec A is equal to 2. It means cosec A is equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3, it means for this angle cosec A, and cosec A is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Now you observe here, if this angle is reference angle, according to that this will be perpendicular ABC and AC will be hypotenuse. So cosec A can be written as AC by BC. Cosec A is equal to AC by BC. Second thing, here it is given in the form of ratio. So this is not the exact value. 2 by root 3 means you can't say the 2 centimeter or 2 millimeter or root 3 centimeter. This is the ratio given. And in ratio, this is not give the exact value. So now here let cosec A is equal to 2k by root 3k, and that is equal to AC by BC. It means now AC is equal to 2k, BC is equal to root under 3k. Now this is 2k and this is root under 3k. Now two sides is in our pocket, AC and BC. Now by using Pythagoras theorem can find out AB. So in triangle ABC, AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. So that is 2k whole square minus root 3k whole square. That is 4k square minus 3k square. That is k square. So AB is equal to k. So this value becomes k. Now all three sides here we are having. When we get all three sides, according to this reference angle, we can find out all the 6 ratios, and according to this trigonometrical ratio, can find out all 6 ratios. According to question, now we will find out. The first question is cos A. Cos A means according to this reference angle, we need cos value. So for this reference angle, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. So according to this reference angle, cos A is equal to AB by AC. That is equal to k by 2k. That is equal to 1 by 2. Second one, tan A. Tan A, this angle is A. Their opposite side, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, this is base. And tan A we are knowing perpendicular by base. So perpendicular BC by AB, that is equal to root 3k by k, that is root 3. Third one is sin square A plus cos square A. Cos A value we are having already. So the meaning of cos square A means what? Meaning of cos square A means whatever the value of cos A, their square. Cos A we are having 1 by 2. So cos square A means 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. So for this value, sin A is also required. So third one is sin A. Sin A perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular root 3k by k, 2k, that is root 3 by 2. So sin square A plus cos square A is equal to sin A means root 3 by 2, their square, plus cos square A means cos A is 1 by 2, their square. So that is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Now all these values here we get according to this reference angle. But here few questions are given sin C, cos C, sin square C plus cos square C. It means now for the 4, 5, 6 question, this is our reference angle. And when we think about this is reference angle, then remember it, this AB treated as perpendicular, BC treated as base, and AC hypotenuse remains same. So when we find out according to this reference angle sin C, now for this angle, this side is perpendicular, this side is hypotenuse, and we are knowing already the sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here the sin C is equal to AB by AC. That is AB is how much? K by 2k, that is 1 by 2. Similarly cos C, for this angle, this is perpendicular, this is base, and cos is base by hypotenuse. So here cos C is equal to BC by AC, that is equal to root 3k by 2k, that is root 3 by 2. Now similarly sin square C, plus cos square c is equal to sin square c means 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square c means root 3 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is 1. So this is question number 4, this is 5, and this one is 6. So in total, now you observe one thing. In any trigonometrical ratios questions, actually trigonometrical ratios questions can be solved by two different processes. First process by using triangle, and the second process is by using trigonometrical identity. So maybe in next video I will explain in which way trigonometrical identity is used in trigonometric ratios. In that way also can find out all these values, but these are the concept in the starting time in the trigonometric ratios. Starting time, this is the concept. So in all the question, remember it, this is very easy topic, easily we can do it. First thing is, according to the questions, you first confirm the place of perpendicular base and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse place is confirmed, that is opposite side of right angle. Which angle treated as a reference angle, their opposite side, remember it, perpendicular, and another side is base, and the hypotenuse place is confirmed of opposite side of right angle. Any trigonometrical ratios are given, it means the ratios of two sides are given, and when the ratios of two sides are given, that ratios always you suppose in terms of any variable, either k or x or y or z, anything. Like here we suppose in terms of k, 2k by 3k. So any ratios are given, it means the ratios of two sides given. Suppose it in terms of k, then by using Pythagoras theorem find out the third side, and when we get third side, then any ratios can find out.